Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a Maltese recipe. We're going to make a type of baked pasta, imaqarrun il forn. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing it even remotely correct. And yeah, let's get to it. For the dish we need 250 grams of minced meat, half pork, half beef. Some butter for thickening, 1 egg, 3 cloves of garlic, enough grated Parmesan cheese, 1 chopped onion, 1 glass of white wine, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 2 tins of peeled tomatoes, oil, pepper, salt, and 500 grams of rigatoni or macaroni. In a large skillet, heat up some olive oil and fry the onions, the minced garlic, and the meat until it's more or less. Now it's time to add the wine, the 3 bay leaves, the tomato puree, and salt and pepper. Once some of the wine has evaporated, add the canned tomatoes. Bring to a boil and then reduce heat and let it simmer for approximately 30 minutes to 2 hours. In a large casserole, bring some water to the boil, add the macaroni and boil them until very much al dente, and then remove from the water and proceed with assembling the dish. When our sauce has lost a lot of its liquid, add the butter for changing the color and getting a nice orangey color and for getting a nice thick sauce. Now it's time to mix the pasta with the sauce and add the egg and some of drizzle some oil in a baking form and proceed by adding the pasta to it. Fill to the rim and then sprinkle more cheese on top. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees for approximately 30 minutes or until the crust is nice and brown. And here's our finished dish. And thanks again so much for watching and see you again in the next one. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave a comment with what recipe you want to see me make next. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when a new video is out.